Come right through. Hang on. Wait. Let him go. Oh, look. Hold up. Chin, right in front of us.
Got one. I busted one, bud.
Right here.
Right there. Watch him.
Oh, they don't lie.
Honey.
Is GOPRO going?
Yeah. There you go. Hold on, safety. Watch him. Honey.
Chandler, right here over your head. Stay in.
Watch him, Tyler.
Let him fly.
Dang, right there. Get him. Honey.
Chandler, he's going around.
Watch him, Tyler.
Oh. Chandler, right here in front of you. Come over your head.
There you go. Honey, come. Honey. Honey, come. Honey, come. Place. On the dang thing, son. Sit. Stay.
Chandler, figure it out.
I just can't see him.
Come from my left. There he comes.
Holler at him. Holler at him. Honey, dead? Is he moving?
Chandler, right here over your head.
I've got two.
You got one.
Honey, come.
Right to the left.
Boy, it's been a banger. You'd have busted two, didn't you?
No, one.
I thought there was two in it.
I got two now.
Watch him, Tyler. Watch him. Busted him. That's my three. Get him, Hunt.
Two. Get one more.
Honey, come.
Get ready.
Right here, left. I'm out. I'm done. I've already shot three. Boy. Honey, come.
I'm gonna let one on the light right here in front of us.
Honey, come.
Shannon.
That's you. Here he comes, about the light. Bust him. Got him. That's 3 and 3, ain't it? I know. Honey, dead. Honey. Farther. Farther. There's a bunch. Limit it out. Honey, dead. Honey, farther. Honey. Come on, Bubba. Dead. Farther. Back. Farther. There you go. No, farther. Huntley. Huntley. He didn't see a single bird go down. Huntley. Come. Dead. Huntley. Dead. Good boy. Come. Good boy, Bubba. Dang, boy. Come. Boy, that was quick. Tyler, look at him, son. Well, you better watch out. Make sure we don't kill nothing we ain't supposed to. Give. Give. Good boy. That's a good boy.
You done recording?
No. Don't you get in no trouble now. All right, there's that one there. I got this one here, right? Or was that you?
You got that one.
Okay. About to fetch him up.
Yeah, that's a two right there.
Yeah, I know you got one over here to the left.
Son. Oh my God, is that mallard?
I don't think so. Honey, come. There you go. All right, guys, this has been an amazing public hunt. Oh, look. They're all woodies. So here in Georgia, we can only kill 3 wood ducks, and we both limited out already. So now we're gonna pick up some ducks and wait and see if we can find some mallards to come in. So far, we've only got 1 duck back here to us. Huntley, he didn't see any of the birds go down. Did. Come. Give. 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 All right, that's 2 Drake woodies for me. Let me get him up off out of the order for a minute. Good boy, Bubba. Sit. Watch him, Bubba. What you think? Guys, this is it's the best public hunt I've ever been on. All right, now we can come over here and pick up Tyler's duck. And then we'll grab, I know I got one in the woods over here. Tyler's got another one somewhere. Huh? That's yours. This is mine. Yours is right here. Honey. Farther. Oh, this is crazy. Goodness. Come on, Bubba. So, Huntley's actually trained pretty well. But good Lord. The heck with private land duck hunting, bro. Watch them. They all woodies. You got you a hen over here. Yeah.
I hit one still alive.
What is it?
Huntley dead. Dead. Huntley dead bird. Dead bird. She's a wood duck, great.
Oh, I see him. Dead. Huntley. Dead. Dead bird.
Get him, Huntley.
Get him, Bubba. He don't want to beat him in the face. Dead.
Can we get him?
Yeah, you can get him. Let's see, whose was that? We can look back on the video and tell.
No idea.
We got one. Let's see. I got one of yours. Where's the other two?
Oh, you only got one?
Only one of yours, yeah.
I think we shot the same bird. So, I mean, you got this one. I mean, I only got 3 or 2.
We'll have to wind up going back and looking at the thing, I guess. I think we knocked down 2 about side by side. I thought, look, right there.
Where? Yep.
But where's the other one?
Didn't you grab one? Oh, well, no, this
I've grabbed one.
Well, I only got 2 birds in.
I thought you shot another one back up in here.
I thought I did. No, I only shot 1 back in here.
So you shot one back up in here and one.
One right there. Sorry.
Hey, I could have swore you shot another one somewhere. Dead. Honey, dead. Honey, come. Dead. Dead. Good boy. Get it. Let's get it, boy. That's 2 bands.
Nuh-uh.
No.
That means I get to shoot this one, right?
Yeah, if you ain't killed 2 back up in here. I know for sure I've shot 3. Huh? Probably. Come here, Hunt. Hunt them up. Make sure there ain't another one. I'm just coming right here and get out here with you. Honey, come. Good boy. He's learning this. He's learning he's got to stand on trees or something.
Only way he's gonna learn is be out here.
What do you think, bub? He's got sand spurs all in his hair. This is an awesome spot. What you talking about? I didn't think it was going to be worth it. Doing all that walking and all that mess this morning, having to go through all that crap.
I was a lot pretty discouraged.
I was like, this is some crap. I don't know if this is the spot you was looking at or what, but good Lord.
I was looking right up there where they was all lighting up.
Keep whistling at them. Boy, I ain't never seen so many ducks. Never. When we limited it out in Graham, when me and Hunter did.
That's him on the water down there.
But me and Hunter both lost one and couldn't find one. I had one that was crippled that got away. But it wasn't nothing like this. It seemed like this was in a different state.
Oh, there ain't no wood on the boat, so.
That's a good boy, Bubba.
It's a beautiful place.
Daddy's proud of you. Watch. There's a couple still flying. Bubba, I'm gonna have to cut your hair.
They ain't done much shooting.
Mm-mm. We've done most of the shooting.
Not many people walk like we've done this morning though.
This is the best ratio I've ever had shooting.
Really?
Shooting birds, yeah.
What was that close?
So I didn't even have a whole box. I was gonna try and use some of these shells that are stuck. Look. I just used what was in here. I'm surprised they all fired, to be honest.
I've actually got a bad, if you count, favors that ratio, I didn't do very good this morning.
I did for me. You shot one across here, I think.
No, he never went down.
Listen. I thought you shot one across there.
I shot at one.